Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, where classic trucks meet pure Americana. Today, we're throwing it back to a true workhorse of its era, the 1980 Ford F-100 4X4. It's rugged, it's reliable, and it helped shape the legacy of Ford's legendary F-Series. Let's take a closer look at what made the 1980 F-100 such a standout pickup. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1980 Ford F-100 introduced a boxier and more muscular design that reflected the tough jobs it was built for. The body lines are clean and squared off, giving it that classic American truck silhouette. The iconic front grille is flanked by dual rectangular headlights, a first for the F-Series, signaling a new era in truck styling. This 4X4 version features elevated ride height and beefy all-terrain tires, giving it a more aggressive and capable stance. Chrome bumpers and optional trim packages, like the Ranger or Custom Deluxe, added a touch of style to this otherwise utilitarian beast. Interior. Inside the cabin, simplicity meets functionality. The interior of the 1980 F-100 is built for durability. You'll find a no-nonsense dashboard layout with easy-to-read analog gauges and large rotary knobs made for gloved hands. The bench seat is wide and supportive, perfect for long days on the road or the job site. Depending on trim level, you could get vinyl or cloth upholstery, and even optional air conditioning and an AM/FM radio, not bad for a truck in 1980. While the creature comforts are minimal, everything in here was designed to last. Performance. Now let's talk performance, where the F-100 4X4 really proves its worth. Under the hood, the 1980 model could be equipped with several engines, from the reliable 4.9L inline-six to the more powerful 5.0L or 5.8L V8. These engines delivered solid low-end torque, essential for towing, hauling, or powering through rough terrain. The 4X4 system featured a manually engaged transfer case and locking hubs, simple, mechanical, and dependable. Whether you're tackling muddy trails, snowy roads, or rocky paths, this F-100 was built to handle it all. Paired with either a 3-speed automatic or a 4-speed manual transmission, the truck delivered a driving experience that was both responsive and raw. This wasn't just a truck, it was a tool you could trust. So what's the final word on the 1980 Ford F-100 4X4? It's a symbol of the working man's truck, a perfect balance between toughness and tradition. With its bold styling, dependable engineering, and true off-road capability, the 1980 F-100 helped define what a pickup truck should be. If you're lucky enough to find one still roaming the backroads or sitting in a garage, know this: it's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of Ford history. Thanks for riding along with us here at Auto Luxury 295. If you enjoyed this review of the classic 1980 Ford F-100 4X4, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vintage truck you want to see next.